Alaikum, class 7. Today your topic is the rock cycle, rocks and weathering. Okay. The topics are we are going to discuss in this chapter is presentation is the rock cycle, igneous rock and its examples, magma versus lava, sedimentary rocks and its examples, metamorphic rocks and its examples, and weathering and its types. Okay, the first topic is our the rock cycle. What is rock cycle? A rock cycle is a series of process that create and transform the types of rock in earth's crust. As you can see that first we have magma. After cooling you get igneous rock. With weathering and erosion you got sediments. With compaction and cementification you got sedimentary rock. With pressure and impactment you got metamorphic rock, and after melting the metamorphic rocks you will get magma. So this is basically a cycle. The first magma transform into igneous rocks, then the sediments into sedimentary rock, and then they are converted into metamorphic rock, and it is basically a cycle. So the second topic is igneous rock. What is igneous rocks? They are formed from molten rocks called magma deep in the very hot mantle of the earth's crust. Examples of igneous rock is granite and basalt. What is granite? The properties of granite is very hard rock which is not easy to scratch. Granite contains large crystal which make it sparkles, and granite does not react with acid. Basalt is a very hard rock which is difficult to scratch. Basalt also contains tiny crystals like particles, and they does not react with acid. So next topic is your magma versus lava. There is a diagram showing a volcano where is lava, and that the bottom part is magma, and the overflowing like floating above from it's lava. Magma, molten rock inside the earth, is called magma. Lava is once on the earth's surface. Earth's surface पर molten rock is called lava. So yeah, sedimentary, and now your topic is sedimentary rocks and its example. What are sedimentary rocks? They are formed for sediments piling up and being compressed. So yeah, and the examples of sedimentary rock is sandstone, shale and conglomerate. We will discuss briefly sandstone. What is sandstone? Sandstone is made from large particles of sand. Shale is made from very fine particles of clay and mud. Conglomerate is made from pebbles cemented together with calcium carbonate. Okay, your next topic is metamorphic rocks and its type. It is a type of rock which has been changed by extreme heat and pressure, and the types of metamorphic rocks is slate, marble and quartzite. Slate is made by sedimentary shale being compressed deep underground. It is useful as a roofing material. ये roofing material used in the roofs of houses, etc. As you can see, they are made up of shale. Marble is a metamorphic rock formed from limestone. As you know, marble flooring it is used in numerous construction. It is basically used in toilets, etc. Quartz is a metamorphic sandstone. Like it is sedimented sandstone change into metamorphic quartz. For as shale, sedimentary shale is transported and changed with extreme heat and pressure. It is converted into slate. So yeah, the last part of your presentation is weathering and its type. Weathering is the breaking down of rocks by air, water and the heat of the sun. There are three types of weathering discussed in your chapter: physical weathering, chemical weathering and biological weathering. There is a picture showing physical weathering. Physical weathering basically is caused by the effects of changing temperature on rocks, causing the rocks to break apart. As you can see in this picture, the rock has been really destroyed, but from break into different break apart into different pieces, big pieces. The process is sometimes assisted by water. So yeah, chemical weathering is caused by a water reacting with mineral grains in rocks to form new minerals, clays and soluble salt. These reactions occurs when the water is slightly acidic. You can see there are different types of chemical weathering: reaction with water, reaction with oxygen, reaction with acid, and reaction with organism. It's like chemical weathering, that there is a chemical reaction happening with the rocks. It's chemical weathering. Biological weathering is basically the weakening and subsequent disintegration of rocks by plants, animals and microbes. So yeah, the now your presentation has been ended. I hope this topic has been understandable to you all. Okay, Allah Hafiz.